Hello, hello, hello. Today is Tuesday and today I am feeling accomplished. First, I got up at 5. Second, I went for my run for couch to 5k. Third, I took the dog out. Fourth, I filmed my videos to send off to jewellery maker for my kids. I'm 5 now. Whatever, anyway. I took all of my photographs, sent them off. So now I'm just waiting on my next kit to arrive and I'm just sitting here enjoying a beautiful cup of coffee, watching a little bit of YouTube, and also I've been doing the washing as well. Swept the floors, polished and cleaned the downstairs toilet. And I don't know what time it is. I think it's about 12:15, half 12. So it's not morning either, is it? It's afternoon. So that is what I've been doing today. Today I am wearing these earrings that I made. They're like button pearls and tassels just from the strands that we get. This necklace, I got this at a charity shop, but it's sterling, or it's silver, and it's got all of these, if I come into the light, it's got all of these, like, I would say they're probably either jaspers or agates inlaid, and then just some little, so I love that. I've got a dress on that I thrifted yesterday. I've got some trousers on as well, and then just some chunky heels, and of course my headband because I couldn't be bothered to do my hair. So that's what I've done today. As you can see, there's all my jewellery already. Got my ring light there. I need to film another video as well. I need to do my haul from my shopping trip yesterday. And that's it really. Yeah, nice day outside. So that's it really. Hopefully I'll be getting the delivery of a couple of things as well that I've ordered online, so I'm just waiting for that too. So that's it. Oh, it's a bit grey on this side. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh well. I shall go out and enjoy the garden while I can, I guess, and do these dishes. Here goes. Good morning. Today's Monday. I've just been coming down the stairs saying what day is it, and I even then just said it was Tuesday. Never mind. Today is Monday, so this video will be going up on Tuesday, but I haven't really videoed much this week because I haven't really done, well, I've been really busy making jewellery. Yesterday I was on Jewellery Maker doing my live link up, but I want to show you something. As you know, I work for F&F, at Tesco. And today, just gonna show you, we got these wonderful t-shirts in, and these t-shirts, I've got the little thing here, it says here, for our heroes, and I'm just gonna give you a little bit of information about it. This is not sponsored, by the way. F&F will donate 100% of the profit from the sale of each of our Rainbow for Our Hero garments sold in Tesco stores to NHS Charities Together. NHS Charities Together is a trading name of the Association of the NHS Charities, registered charity number, blah, blah, blah. F&F hopes to raise £100,000 from the sale of these garments. F&F is a division of Tesco Stores Limited, and it's NHS Charities Together. So there you go, and it's the t-shirts that are like this, and you get like get the little information. They're £8 in the UK and £10 over in Ireland. Euros. So I think it's a great cause, and it's a fantastic kind of like colourful t-shirt just to wear as well. I'll pop a little picture up here of me in the garden wearing it, but I just thought, what a fantastic kind of thing to do. So that's that. As I say, I was on the show on Sunday. I'm on a show again on Saturday. So isn't it beautiful? Look at this weather. Just lovely. And the dogs down the alleyway there. So yeah, that's it. Outside, might sit and have a coffee or something. So that's basically all I've done this week. Not a lot really. As you can see, I've got my colour change transition glasses on. But yeah, there really isn't a lot else happening, to be honest. We're gonna have lasagna tonight, so I might film that. I don't know. In fact, I might do that. So yeah, we're gonna have lasagna today, so I shall see you in a bit.